Captions are indeed one of the best tools to enhance understanding. They provide clarity, improve accessibility, and allow people to follow along, regardless of language or hearing ability.
Join me as I challenge myself to create a magical summer wonderland in just 5 minutes using some crazy hacks. Are you tired of feeling like summer is more of a struggle than a celebration? I know I am. That's why I'm excited to share with you a magical summer wonderland hack that will transform your outdoor space quickly and easily, so you can finally enjoy those long, sunny days. We all know the feeling: the sun beats down, and our outdoor spaces become unbearable. It's like the heat just sucks the fun out of everything. We end up cooped up inside, stuck to our screens, and missing out on all the excitement of the summer season. I mean, who wants to be a hermit when the sun is shining? But at the same time, who can blame us for not wanting to melt into a puddle of sweat every time we step outside? Summer should be about freedom, adventure, and making memories with the people we love. Dream summer oasis in just 5 minutes. Can I pull it off? Summer is finally here, and with it comes the perfect excuse to transform our outdoor spaces into a relaxing oasis where we can unwind and enjoy the warm weather. A beautiful summer oasis is more than just a pretty space. It's a place where we can escape the chaos of daily life, recharge, and make unforgettable memories with friends and family. Nobody wants to be stuck indoors when the sun is shining, but often we're held back by our outdoor spaces being dull, cramped, or just plain uninviting. We all deserve better than that. A summer oasis should be a reflection of our personal style, a place where we can express ourselves and feel completely at ease. The thing is, many of us struggle to create that perfect outdoor space. We get caught up in daily life, and before we know it, the summer is almost over. Time constraints and budget limitations can be huge obstacles, and let's be honest, sometimes we just lack the inspiration or ideas to get started. We've all been there, scrolling through social media, looking at those perfectly styled outdoor spaces, feeling a pang of envy and wondering why our own space can't look like that. It's frustrating, especially when it feels like we don't have the time, money, or skills to make it happen. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to create a beautiful outdoor space is not knowing where to start. It's overwhelming, and we often end up feeling like we need to break the bank or have a team of professionals to help us get the job done. Think about it, we spend so much time and effort on our indoor spaces, but often neglect the outdoor areas that have the potential to bring us even more joy. It's time to flip that script and start making the most of our outdoor spaces. Easy DIY projects, affordable decor, and effective plants can completely transform a space. With a few simple tricks up your sleeve, you can create a summer oasis that's functional, beautiful, and perfect for relaxing or entertaining. One of my favorite DIY projects is creating a macrame plant hanger. Not only does it add a touch of bohemian flair to your space, but it's also incredibly easy to make and can be customized to fit your personal style. Plus, it's a great way to add some greenery to your space without breaking the bank. Another quick and easy hack is to repurpose old furniture or decor items. Give your old patio set a fresh coat of paint, or turn an old ladder into a plant stand. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to get creative and think outside the box. Adding plants to your space can also make a huge difference. Not only do they purify the air and create a sense of calm, but they can also add a pop of color and texture to your space. I love using succulents and wildflowers in my outdoor spaces. They're low maintenance, easy to care for, and add a touch of whimsy to your decor. Now, I want to show you one of my favorite tips for transforming a space quickly. It's a game changer, and it can make a huge difference in just 5 minutes. Are you ready? By simply adding a few throw pillows and a blanket to your outdoor furniture, you can instantly create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. It's a quick and easy fix that can make a huge difference in the way your space feels. Here's a before and after visual to show you just how effective this trick can be. As you can see, just a few simple additions can completely transform a space. The key to creating a beautiful summer oasis is to start small and focus on making simple changes that can add up to make a big impact. By incorporating easy DIY projects, affordable decor, and effective plants, you can create a space that's perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or just enjoying the great outdoors. Remember, creating a summer oasis is all about making the most of your outdoor space. It's about expressing yourself, being creative, and having fun. With these simple tips and tricks, you can create a space that's truly unique and reflective of your personal style. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any summer oasis ideas or tips, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more summer inspiration, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing even more tips and tricks for making the most of your outdoor space.